Hello, this video will take you through the steps to register for a JCC class. The first thing that you are going to do is go to the website sunyjcc.dualenroll.com. Do not type www first. Just go to this site here. Once you open up this site, this is what the page will look like, and it's going to ask you either to log in if you already have an account. This would be for students who took a JCC class last year or the year before. And if you're a brand new student to the JCC classes, you would create your account here.
So now you are going to click Create My Account. What you are now going to do is fill in all of the required fields. So for high school, make sure you pick Fredonia. You're going to create a login. We are going to call this login test Fredonia, no spaces, and we're going to use our lucky number 15. Make sure you create something unique to yourself. You are then going to create a password and type it in again. And make sure you write it down somewhere where you are going to remember it, because at some point your school counselors are going to ask you to fill out a Google form and provide this information. We will hold on to your username and password in case you need to register for future years, in case you lose it. So now you'll type in your first name. We're going to put in Test. And for our last name, we're going to put Fredonia, but you're going to put in your real first and last name. And then choose your date of birth. And then you're going to put in either your email or your cell phone. You only have to do one or the other. For right now, we're just going to put in a cell phone number. And then you are going to click I'm not a robot. And then you would click register. Keep in mind that if you are providing an email, you need to click the box that says, I prefer not to provide a cell phone. If you put in an email and a cell phone, they will email you your registration through the email. So again, put in your cell phone, click I'm not a robot, and then click register. So if you provided a phone number, it is going to text you a code that you will type in right into the website. And then you will enter your username and password, and it'll take you to this screen. If you chose to put an email in, you'll have to go to that email account, and you'll have to click Confirm My Account, and then it will also take you to this screen. Make sure that you are not using a school email. You should be using a personal email like a Gmail or a Ymail. Once you get to the screen, you'll type in your first and last name. Pretty much anything with the red asterisk is required. Your mailing address and email. Again, email should be a personal email. The city, state, and zip code. Your county of residence, which for most of you will be Chautauqua County. And then it says you have to type in your social security number or your J number. Since you are a new registering student, you should be typing in your social security number. You'll choose your date of birth, put in your phone number, your gender, your graduation date. If you are a senior, your graduation date is 2021. If you're a junior, it is 2022. And if you happen to be a sophomore, it is 2023. You're going to click No for the next one because you are taking your classes at Fredonia High School, not BOCES. And all of you, I believe, are U.S. citizens, so you will click U.S. citizen. Once that is done, you will click Next. On the next screen, you have the option to open up the College Connection Student Guide and read it at your own will. Once you have read that, you will click I have read and agree with these conditions. The next step then is for your parents. So your parent needs to give you permission to take this JCC course. What they are also doing is accepting your registration so that this class is completely free and you are earning free college credits. So you have the option, once you click, to put in your parents' email address or their cell phone. You do not have to put in both. So in this case, we are going to put my mom, Pamela's, phone number in. make sure that your phone number matches the original and when you re-enter it. Then click Next. So now what you're going to do is select your school counselor. If your last name is A through L, it is most likely Mrs. Davis unless you are a 10th grader. And if your last name begins with M through Z, it would be Mr. Romans. Do not click Mrs. Forbes. You're either going to choose Mrs. Davis or Mr. Romans. Once you click Finish, the next step is to register for your classes. So if these are all the courses that are being offered at Fredonia High School for this year. So let's say you are in the Intro to Business course. You will click the title Intro to Business. You then will click on the right side where it says Register. And then it says that you have prerequisites for this course. That is if you took the AccuPlacer, or many of you have met many exemptions from having to take the AccuPlacer. You will then click Continue with this course. It takes a minute to load. So now, if you are only taking one course, you can log out and you are done. If you are taking another course, let's say you're enrolled in Spanish, you will click Select Another Course, scroll down, and click the other course that you are registering for. Once you are finished with your registration, please make sure that you wrote down your username, login, and your password, and keep it somewhere safe. When you are all done, you may log out. Again, your school counselors will be reaching out with a Google form in order to get your username and password, and we will hold on to that information for you. If you have any questions, email your teacher or your school counselor, and we will help you out.